All right, where things are located in the basement at Aspen Apartments. Okay, inside the door we have the things for turning off the water valve. Bottom of the basement we have all of our rakes, shovels, any brooms, dustpans. As you get in the door, we'll just go in a circle right around the apartments, or right around the basement, sorry. All right, we've got plumbing. As you just get in the doorway, all our plumbing supplies are basically from that area to that area. You'll see signs throughout the basement. Okay. Next thing is hardware. That'd be like screws, nuts, bolts, any door locks, doorknobs, some extra plumbing stuff there at the bottom. Continue to go around the room. We have miscellaneous things, nuts and bolts and such over here. We've got pins, glue, tape, things along that lines of that. All our power tools. Power tools go right up here on this shelf. And then as you continue going around the room here, we've got our hand tools area. Got lots of hand tools. We also have our screw guns there, always charging. We always make sure to have a spare battery around. And all the hand tools basically go along this wall and here in this section as well. We've got an air compressor, as you can see. Now we get to a little more plumbing stuff. It's all of our PEX related stuff. And we've got the PEX crimper, the PEX cutter. This would be 1/2 inch PEX in the yellow box. And the blue box has the 3/4 inch PEX stuff. And this is some miscellaneous shark bites here in the little toolbox looking thing. And then there's a few more PEX things here. And as you can just see, some various different things for cutting PEX and PVC. As we go around the room, okay, we have 2 spare air coils that go above the hallways for the air conditioning and the heating. We have a left hand and a right hand spare, brand new in the box. We have extra motor. All of our filters that go in each individual apartment are located in these 2 boxes here. As you continue going and get almost to the corner, that's where you'll find all of our lights and our electric. Spare lights for ceiling fans, etc. are here. Then you get into any electrical type things. We don't really do electrical stuff, but we do have like covers for lights and some miscellaneous things, light bulbs for sure in this section. Appliance stuff, we have lots of extra appliance hardware and plug-ins and things that we've taken out of refrigerators over the years that were no good any longer, but we kept the parts out of them so that way you can replace that. As you get on around the corner, there's lots of stove parts inside this compartment here. You got to look in there, but there's lots of burners, etc. Then we have another section where we have some spare stoves. As you can see, they're good. They're the slide-in type of stoves. We have 2 of them that are in working order, and there's 2 stoves behind that underneath this door that are like kind of our part stoves. This particular stove right here is one that does work and could slide in if we had to. We have our painter there, and then we have spare dishwashers. We have, it looks like about 5 of them. And out of the spare dishwashers, we also have brand new pump and motor right here on the box with everything dated on the top. That stuff is all here for when we need to take parts off of other dishwashers. These are a special type of dishwasher that go under the sink, and they're $800 a piece, so we keep the old ones so we can always resalvage those. If it's not an under the sink dishwasher, then we buy brand new ones and just replace it that way. Here's all of our blinds, the slats for the blinds that go in the windows at Aspen Apartments. Around the corner here, we have the little pieces that go above our air conditioning units that can be cut to size. They are waterproof. Spare fans. We also have, by the way, some things for drop ceilings. They're right above the blinds. That's our drop ceiling pieces that are extra. And then as you get to this corner, you're going to find out where we have all our paint supplies and excuse me, paint supplies, caulking, paint pans, rollers, spray can, paint, brushes, etc. And all of our drywall supplies are in that corner as well. We do have a bathroom, so if you need a bathroom. And then we get to almost back to where we started, and we now have a pile of lots of wood slats and things we use for spacers. And we have all kinds of 2x4s, drywall, etc. along this wall. And then over here we've got some extra PEX. We also have all of our things for cleaning out plumbing, drain lines and such. And we also have some pest control things here, as you can see. Then we are back. There's a sump pump, by the way, in the corner in case the basement ever flood. The sump pump will take care of that. And we are back to where we started. Thanks for watching.